Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar, and I am Oscar Carboni. How are you, kids? This is video number 2688 coming at you on a Sunday night for trading Sunday through Monday, January 8th, 2024. Before we get started, remember that there's a lot of risk involved in trading. Risky. If you trade any markets from crypto to fiat or anything in between without placing protective stops, you are doing this wrong. Take this from a professional. Put your stops in and put them in first. All right, so what are we looking at? So the last video I left for you, I said, for day trading, we are looking at a reaction to a double top and the market should come down. And that is what we did see for the last few days of last week. Well, here we are Sunday night looking at the OMNI S&P weekly bar chart. There is no difference at all in the picture that we had last week. Still some form of a reaction taking place from the double top on the weekly bar of the OMNI S&P. Now, you could end up with a bit of a reaction down here. You know what I'm saying? That could happen. We will take this one day at a time. The reason why I'm using a weekly bar for day trading, for an opinion for tomorrow, a chart opinion is this. The OMNI's gone slightly, well, not slightly, the OMNI has gone neutral. So I've got a neutral OMNI at the moment, which means I've got to watch, and no matter what happens tomorrow, I've just got to either pull off an Oscarism if I feel like it, or stand back and let this thing develop. Being that it's only Sunday night into Monday, and we are professionals, maybe we'll just sit back and let this develop and see. The OMNI went neutral for a reason. I'm going to respect that reason. Let's look at the NASDAQ here. The NASDAQ looks exactly the same, exactly the same, with even larger of a reaction to the double top. And I don't know that the reaction's over yet. The OMNI's gone neutral, has not gone bullish, right? So the OMNI said, hey, just stop selling for now. Let's see what's going to happen. It didn't tell us to buy, it didn't tell us to sell. So we will sit tight and see, but you know, just the look of this, me being a professional for a lot of years, looking at this, you know, maybe there's more coming. I don't know if it'll happen tomorrow, but maybe there's a little more correction coming here. We did have a really strong rally leading into, of course, the Santa Claus rally, bonus round rally for the end of the year. Well, that is over, and, you know, a pullback sometimes can be customary from the months of January into March. It's not every year, but that's customary. So let's see how this develops one day at a time. OMNI's neutral for trading on Sunday night through Monday. And you never know, I may pull off an Oscarism style trade. Otherwise, we will study and let the markets tell us what to do next. Come join me at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you subscribe to these videos. Then come down to the site. It's absolutely free to you. No credit cards are required. And you can come join me in my free live trading room where you'll find me all the time, whether my camera's on or not. I am there typing to my Omniacs. I hope to see you there. Good luck trading if you are going to trade tomorrow. And make sure you keep your emotions away from your decision-making process. How do we do that? Put our stops in first so that we don't blow ourselves up. And then say this to ourselves over and over again. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thanks for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.